Hey everybody, it's Sid
and Jordan,
and we're the Subscription Sisters.
You like my earrings? You like it? Well, you can't see them. You can't see them. But against my white skin.
So we're back today with another video, and I have to apologize. I have a little bit of a cold right now, so yeah, really, I was watching Melissa Unboxing Mom on YouTube the other day, which, by the way, if you guys have not checked out her channel, you definitely should. She's got some great videos on there.
I've not checked out her channel.
She's terrible, but no, Melissa was actually sick a little bit in her videos, so I'm saying that I got this from her. Like, virally, she transmitted her germs to me, so yeah, you know,
via the internet. Let's just blame the internet for everything.
Exactly, it's always the internet's fault. Alright, we're back with another box today.
Sickness.
Alright, so our next one today, it's not really a box.
It's not.
But it is a subscription box service. This is what it is. This is from jewelrytreeclub.com.
Okay. I was about to judge this thing so hardcore. Like, what are you doing? What is this? But if it's jewelry,
it's jewelrytreeclub.com. They will send you a piece of jewelry every month. It's $6.50 a month with free shipping. So, first of all, I think this is a huge bag for one piece of jewelry. But one thing I'm so disappointed with, there's nothing on here that says it's from Jewelry Tree Club. I looked everywhere, there wasn't. I almost opened this because I thought maybe this was just like something I ordered off of Amazon, and it's not. So I wish they would put a sticker or something on here that tells me that this is who it's from. Okay.
So you get a card.
You got a card.
What's the card say? Can you read?
We hope you love what we picked for you today. Will you wear it or gift us? Gift it. To gift, just use the included tag and bag to gift it to someone special. Okay.
It also says text that to receive a free grab bag.
Oh, okay. Sounds cool. So there's a chance to win something.
And then all that else is in this giant bag is a little tiny baggie.
That bag is so cute.
Well, I like the idea of regifting it if you don't like it.
I love this bag. This made me think especially of you. Oh. And look, it does say Jewelry Tree on the inside. So I was so worried we were going to open this up and it'd be something from Amazon. You're like, look though, isn't this cute? It's like a little burlap thing. Okay. Here's what we got.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, that's all it is?
This is all we got.
Let me see it. No.
Oh my goodness.
How much? You paid $6 for this?
This is $6.50 a month. This is not cool, you guys. Like,
let me see it. Let me see it closer.
These look like earrings that a little girl would wear. Like, little tiny.
I was not promoting the earrings that I'm wearing currently, but you can see them. They're just tassels.
We opened them up from another subscription box.
Which we'll be uploading soon. And just to give you a heads up, these earrings cost $3.50.
These are so little.
And these are $6 for...
Oh my goodness.
I mean...
The bag is better than that. I mean, this is very minimalist, and I like the minimalist look, don't get me wrong, but come on.
If I had a second hole, I'd put them in it, but like, they're...
This is so tiny. And for $6.50 a month,
I don't have anything to say about this. Like, I'm just like...
The bag, I was excited for what we were getting because I love this bag. But, I'm sorry.
Maybe if I was searching for this exact thing, I'd be like, yes, I found it. It's only $6. But...
It's such an underwhelming feeling. Like, you know when you get a new subscription and you want to be excited?
I know. Can you see it? Can you see what these are?
And don't get me wrong, they are cute. I like them. It's just the fact that we're talking about price, which I know isn't that much money at $6, but this seems to be a little...
Well, I would have been okay with even like an earring that felt like an actual earring.
Yeah.
It wasn't like a stud. It was an earring. Would have been okay with a bracelet, necklace.
Yeah, a full necklace, something. I mean, this, what would you have paid for this? Tops $3?
Tops.
So this is significantly overpriced.
I can make it. No, I don't like this. Sorry.
Okay, so do I feel like it's bad quality? I don't think so. But 1 to 5 on this scale.
Packaging was no bueno.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. We got dark points.
The only thing I really like is I like this little baggie. I think this was the best part of your purchase. This is
I think this is a 2 stars though. It's not that it's ugly.
It's not that it's ugly, but it's not worth your money, and I'm not happy with the money spent on it. Even though it's not my money, it was your money. But
yeah, I would go with 2 stars. What do you think?
1.
Oh.
1.
Ouch.
I don't give half stars, but I give them a half. No, I would. The Tom Box gets my negative half star. I keep bringing Tom Box up.
She has issues with Tom Box. Okay. All right.
Rightly
well,
so.
That was our Jewelry Tree Club review. So drop a comment down below and let us know what you guys think. Maybe we're way out of line on this. I don't know. But I really think you guys are overpaying for this. What else do you say about a pair of
stud arrow earrings? Like, what else do you say? Okay.
I don't know.
We wasted your 5 minutes just to show you that.
All right, guys. Let us know. Make sure you do all the things. Like, follow, subscribe. And we will see you on our next video. Bye.
Bye.